Holiday Chue came from Kusai. Please give them a big round of applause. Where is baby? They have a very beautiful daughter, very healthy daughter. Her name is Sepe. The family arrived from Hawaii. The dad wanted to find a job, so he went to a place called Al's Garbage Disposal Company. That's the first place that came to mind that he would want to apply a job at.
Thank you.
It's 69. Good job, good job. Hello, HR. Hire you, Irene. Oh yes, you came just in time when we really needed people. Me and my beautiful wife and our malnourished baby just came from nowhere, and they're struggling and depression. We got into a depression. So we came here to, what is this place, Hawaii? And I need a job to provide my family to be successful. Here's the application. You can fill this out. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, what kind of talent do you have? Do you know anything that relate, any skills that relate to this job? Yeah, my skills. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of my husband. Oh, I'm a husband. But I know how to share I'm awesome. Sorry, I don't really understand Hindi, so maybe not talented and uneducated. That's why I came to the trash. Okay, you got hired today. I'm gonna give you a call. You can start as soon as we give you a call. Oh, watch me win! Thank you. This song is really new to me, and I'm gonna go back to my strawberry, my pumpkin, my mangoes pumpkin, and tell them about the news. Thank you, HR, Human Resources, from Trash Disposal Company. You're welcome. Strawberries. can very sure now it's offered from my employer. Okay? We're celebrating tonight. Oh yes.
Well, Baba and Mata correct Malan, first day of his job, he was able to finish the first day without any problems. Basic skills that he had, he was able to perform his job. Then one day, Dad came home. Dad came home from work and noticed that the mom was sick.
Strawberry, what's wrong? What's wrong with you? You're not feeling good like yesterday? Okay. Don't worry, don't be paranoid. I'm going to take you to the doctor and get checked out because I don't want you to die. Let's go, baby, we're going with Strawberry.
Here the dad took the sick mom, to the hospital with the child. They're going to Hapilani Medical Center for women and children. The doctor welcomed them in and introduces himself to the family.
Good morning. I'm Dr. Namsa. I'm here today. If you need help, I'm here ready to help. How can I help you today? Anyone?
I'm the man.
And we are?
It's a Strawberry. Malem
Uy, tugtog na to siya.
What are you guys here today for? What happened?
Okay, I final job and I worked and working. I went home and I found my blueberry lying on the floor and I slither. And maybe I feed her for 205 days later.
What kind of symptoms?
Hepatitis. And sometimes she can take a simple.
I like it very simple. You can simple, you can understand simple. What kind of symptom?
Symptom I never take from the school. I such a 10th grade and we can, yeah. It's okay.
Okay. I want to check. I'm listening to your heart and your body and your soul.
Para na Malem.
I'm gonna check your heart first, okay? Breathe. I'm gonna listen to your backbone. Up, down, up, down. Seems like everything was there with your space, with your suffering. Okay, I'm gonna listen to your brain. Crazy good. Everything good, but wait, let me check your pen. She needs surgery. Look at the face, okay, don't cry. Okay, it's gonna be alright. We're gonna have to do the surgery, but I'm sorry to tell you that you don't have your insurance on cover. And you have to call for help and come back and we'll see what we can do to your strawberry. Okay?
Are you sure? Because when I went to HR, I'm very good in paperwork. I am great at this time. Can you tell me the facts of the reality of life?
Subtitles, proof.
Okay. So, you know, sometimes we don't understand what the paper says. And we call it fast forward and sign. So that's why when it comes to this kind of problem, it happens like this. That's when you find out you can even know what to sign. So, every time you have to understand and then you sign paperwork. Okay? So, when I read, I fall asleep. Remind me back in high school. My teacher teach me in the front and I fall asleep. I only like picture but movie. So maybe that's error.
Listen to me, Linda. Listen, baby. Listen on me. When you go to school, don't sing, don't dance. Listen to the teacher. That's why when you ended up like this, you remember that. And you remember that you go to school for food and dance and sing. So, next time you go to school, you don't fall asleep. Oh, doctor. You're never gonna die.
When the Municipal Plan around Dr. Malem Popular Medical Center is inhabited with insurance. There's no insurance, so she won't be able to treat them. They have to be covered. The family is not covered. The father goes back to his employer to ask for paperwork for medical.
Hi, Goldman. We came back. No, you're a girl. Sorry, Goldman. We came back to, I made a mistake. I want to know what I covered. from my insurance because my strawberry is very sick. I didn't put myself together because I don't like grief, so I came back to know what's going on. Okay, let me introduce myself to your family first. This is Coleman Simon. I'm the manager for this trash company. Let me check what your wife did when she came here. Okay. See yourself.
My name is Strawberry.
Okay, wait, yeah. You know the guy. He's gonna check if you got Okay, I'm sorry, ma'am, because of your husband's stupidity. We didn't fill up the form. It's only covered himself. That's it. Only himself. You guys have to go look for some other help to cover your medical. Thank you. I thought I filled up. You must forgive me, I'm not educated. But I try, I learn from my mistakes. Yeah, so let's go back and find out. I'm gonna get you some medicine. So let's go back and see if they have help from cancer department. So they heard about Legal Aid Society of Hawaii. They heard from a friend that they could help in applying for medical insurance. Hi, Zibariki. Zibariki office. Hi, Zibariki. We're here for help. My strawberry is very dying inside. She looks fine, beautiful outside, but she's dying inside. When you guys in here? Yeah, you're right here. Because I'm not irresponsible, we forgot it at the bus stop. You have your social security or any police, where was I need to? That I can start with. Strawberry credit. Don't make yourself. I told you already, don't make yourself sick outside because that means outside. You're very dying inside, but try your best to be alive. I need you here for the rest of our lives. Sorry, Zibariki. She's so stupid. Oh my god. Okay, let's start it. Who helped you? Did you fill any application before for help? Did you go so far away from the island? You mean fly away? I would fly away if I can afford. I'm stuck here on the island forever.
help for you guys. When you see platform over here, so you can install it. You can, how long you can here? Just a year, but my accent is bitchy now. I'm bitchy. Because I try to learn English, but it's so hard, so I like bitching that it's broken. So we're only here about a year. That's fine. I work for all my connection over here. They're all the same. So don't worry. We came really on time. I think we can help you, fill up the paperwork. So don't worry. Come here. Well, I think it's almost my break time, so I think you can do it. Everything's gonna be okay. You can on time. Maybe what's your wife name? Strawberries are very good. You say you're hungry. Guys, you look good. Thank you very much. Really. Okay, I think yours is scary because you say that cool, that look nice. And I call you and I think even we don't finish everything right now, but I think you can put some help and we can finish it, the paperwork. And wait, let's just finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions and then I could pick up it. Or like you need to this way. OMG, yeah, I work a lot. 10 years of life didn't change, Yeah, but I look good, right? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I help a lot of people over here. Over here, maybe just over here. So your memory is okay. You can go take help. You're undercovered right now. So everything is okay right now. Thank you, because I really need to go eat and give you lunch. Right up everybody ng Lalo, sige na was covered, and ako na ng no. They're gonna go back. They were able to get insurance coverage for the family, the wife and the child. So they're going back to the doctor, so the doctor can help them.
Matalin din.
Some numbers.
Matawin. Kansahan mo.
Guys, up in the lottery? Well, yeah. We came back. We got insurance, so call your belly and work with her. Okay, with that song, then we're gonna start the surgery now.
Hey.
Nurse, bring the knife. So the surgery children. Okay, get ready. Okay, you're done today. Now, I'm gonna see you next week, okay? You're better now. Take care and we'll see you next week. When you can make appointment, okay? Okay. Have a good day. Take care.